Hey guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana from Juliana Soul Vlog. Yes, guys, so I'm here with another video. It's been ages since I have done a sit down and talk video, so today I just decided that I'm coming out to do a sit down and talk video. Don't mind my background. I have a pit bull in the back, or you're gonna hear him constantly bark and all of that. Nobody worry about him. She alright. Yeah. So I'm saying this to somebody. I know it's holiday season, right? And everybody is fussing about going shopping and all that, doing a bag of crazy stuff. But please drive careful on the road. Yes, please be safe on the road, guys. Try your best to drive at the correct speed limit.
Check out this nail tech. Link me for more information.
And if you're gonna go to party, try not to drink too much. Worse, if you're gonna drive, try not to drink, because some of you guys drive really nasty on the road, to be honest. Anyhow, I know that my comforter boat. I'm here to encourage somebody. I don't know who you are, but you may be watching this video right now and you may feel paranoid and you may feel as if there's nobody likes you, but that's not your problem. Your problem is to ensure that you like yourself. Ensure that you love yourself. You see, once you love yourself, that's all that matters. If you do good, people gonna have something to say. If you do bad, they're gonna have something to say. There's nothing you can do in this life that people will be pleased at all time. So don't beat yourself up too much about the negative stuff that people have to say about you. Push out your work, and this is for all content creators. Most of you guys, I'm not gonna say most of you guys, you want people to assist you, right, with their platform, but are you willing to assist the person that you're seeking the help from? It's not a one-hand thing, because one hand can't clap. You understand? It take both hands to clap. Okay, so for instance, that you're gonna seek assistance from somebody. What are you willing to do? Worse, if you're not paying cash, what are you willing to do to assist the person? If it's a shout out that you need, right, you can assist the person by sharing their links on your either community tab or WhatsApp. If you don't want to share it on your community, you can share it to your WhatsApp, your Facebook. You can share it on different platform. It will show the person that hey, this person is interested to help me, so let me do this. Because guess what? You see, encouragement strengthens labor. So when people realize that yes, this person is also willing to assist me, then they will also be able and more quicker to assist you. So you have to look out for people, and so that people will look out for you. And I'm saying this, no matter how small your content is, no matter how small your channel is, work, put in all that effort, the same energy where you take to watch people content, put in the same energy if you create your video. If it's motivation video you do, if it's cooking you do, if it's challenge you do, put in the effort for put out some videos, because you may not be making anything right now, but one day your channel will take off in the right and proper way. You understand? Everybody has to start from somewhere. Don't grudge or don't get up and bad mind a person because they realize that their channel is doing way better than you and all of that. Don't worry about that. Everybody pot don't put on at the same time. So you have to be grateful with what you have and just put in the hard work constantly, post videos constantly. And if you're not going to be able to post video every single day or every week, ensure that you post some little shorts, because you don't want your channel to get demonetized or anything like that. So ensure that you post videos, because a lot of persons channel getting demonetized because they're not posting and all of that, and you have to be careful of the content that you are making also. So please keep that in mind. Yes guys, the rain about to start fall yet. So I hope that you guys will have a wonderful day. Love you all. See you in the next video, guys.